Hello everyone, and welcome to day 5 of the 7 Days of Gratitude Art Journal Challenge. The prompt for day 5 is nature, and so I started off with this paper in my journal that I created that said "Cover me with blossoms," and I actually layered a piece of vellum over that in my journal. This is the centerfold of the journal, so I have a spacious 2-page spread to work with. And I'm just layering a few of these floral stickers over the vellum, and I'm concentrating them in the lower left corner. And that was a choice I made just because that's where that bold "Cover Me with Blossoms" text is. And I kind of wanted this spread to be super simple, and so I'm just playing around with these flowers and seeing where they best fit. And that's really all I'm doing with those flowers. And I had cut out the nature words from the printable I made for this challenge, and I'm just gluing down the tiny word strip that says nature because I want to keep this layout super simple and minimal. I decided to just use that instead of the scripted title that's bigger. And now I'm just doing a little bit of journaling. There was a phrase I thought of while I was working on this, and it just kind of perfectly captured what I wanted to write about when it comes to nature and gratitude. And because I wanted this spread to be so minimal, I decided that just one line would be enough to capture the prompt for today. And so I'm just writing out most of the words, and then I'm going to stamp a single word using those bolder alphabet stamps to really bring attention to that word. And so I've written nature using the word strip, and then I added on a reminder that all things are made new in time. And I'm just stamping out the word new in those bold letters because I wanted there to be a lot of attention given to that word. And I'm using a StazOn ink pad, which is the ink that I've found works best on vellum. You do have to wait for it to dry a little bit, but it dries a lot faster than any other ink I've used on vellum. And so I'm just cleaning my stamps as I go and putting away my ink pad. And then I'm going to add the rest of the line that I was journaling out. And the very last step is to add a date stamp, and I've been using a date stamp on all of my layouts this week, and I think that's a great way to tie pages together in an art journal, is to choose like a single element that you will use on every single page. And of course the date stamp is a pretty simple thing to use on every page, but I think that it has the function of adding the date and also just another interesting font and layer to the page. And so that is all I am doing for this page. Like I said, it is super simple, and I'm okay with that. I think it's okay to have simple pages in your art journal next to busier pages. And I like that it's a little bit more minimal than some of the other pages I've done for this challenge. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed seeing this page come together. And if you are joining us in the challenge, please use the hashtag #GratitudeArtJournal so we can follow along with what you're making too. Thanks for watching. Bye.